That's right.
This is how we do this.
Bon period, we usually don't get the easy job.
No, this is what we do all the time.
Yeah.
Shit up everywhere.
No, it ain't always that easy. No.
Only guys that shoot at us first. Picked the wrong day.
No, bricks don't go. Yep. 3. How many did you have?
Yeah. Oh, they took a couple.
1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. I've got 11 bricks.
Returning.
4.
Returning to us.
One of the guys from set just took 4 bricks.
Yeah. Cole, do you copy? Cole, do you copy? Cole, do you copy?
I got you.
Trunk to Cole, do you copy? Alright.
Ninja to Cole, over. Are you hearing us now, or did you take your headset out?
Down in the creek, John. Don't. Bad choice. Who is it, John? What's your right, Trey? Alright guys, let's fall back. Fall back to the fob. Fall back. Hey Cole, Alsukari is shooting at us. Everybody is shooting at us. And we are yet to see a set member return.
I was going to say, can we join in?
Alsukari is shooting at us. And we have yet to see a set member with the bricks. I think it's safe to say they have decided to go ahead and adapt that and keep the bricks to themselves. Over.
Go ahead and come back to base.
Copy that. Falling back. We're falling back, guys.
Make sure you tell Alsukari that we are not on hostile terms with them, that we do not hold them responsible for
Here,
the
hold this.
stealing of the bricks. Over.
Get ready. If they shoot me, you shoot. You shoot.
I'm with you. Hey, everybody. Spread out.
Stay back. Stay back. Copy that. I'm going to go talk to Doc right now. Why are we getting shot at?
Why are we getting shot at?
We got shot at first. Over in the creek bed. Huh? I'm positive. That's 2. There's 4. We had, there are 15 in there. Now that makes 13. Where did these come from? Alright.
I need everybody down here right now. Truck is trying to talk. I need everybody down on double time now. We're on our way.
Cole, they're saying that he did not steal the bricks and they only gave us 2 back rather than 4. You copy that? Copy that.
My guys have been playing nice. You guys are getting on my nerves.
You shot at us from the creek bed.
No, our guys are on the side. Told not to.
They shot at us. We were standing there.
Just standing there and we got shot at.
Actually hit one guy.
There's your bricks. Move out for now. You'll get some more later.
Let's go. Let's go back. In there. Yeah, they're already up there. We're going over to the brush pile and gonna come in. There he is, right there. Guys, come on!
Hey, stick together. Trey, go!
Fucking idiot. Are they up here? Okay. What? I know! I know. Right there. They're in Old City. We need to go to Old City.
They're in the tower. They're in the tower.
You sure it's not friendly?
I'm sure. They weren't up that far.
Alright, so cut in right here. Hey, who are you guys? Which team?
On your team!
God! 12 o'clock! Go back to respawn. Go back to respawn.
Be safe.
Come on, keep going. Keep going.
He's like,
Which team are you on? Right here. 12 o'clock. Which team are you on?
I think they're all.
Call your team. Call your team.
Ravenwood?
Ravenwood?
Say something.
Answering, shoot him.
Fucking talk, guys. Hey, squirrel. That's friendly too. Beside us friendly.
Beside him, Ravenwood. Only one we looking for is Alsukari. Ooh, can I throw my smoke?
Yeah, we want to get to that brush pile.
Okay, and then throw smoke?
Well, just do whatever. Hey, we're going to the brush pile. Go, hey, where's John? You ready? All balls! Keep going! Come on, get in here! Where are we at? Keep going! Dry. In the tower! Woo!
Yeah, sure. Just stay here.
Up in the tower, right ahead of you, Dave. Gunny, keep going right. Keep going right. Take your red rag off if you're in. Dave, above you! Dave, above you! Oh shit, hit! Dave, he's up above you still. 1. Left corner. Dave's hit. Hey, you got 1 above you. Hang on. No, hey, he's in there. Hang on. Are you good? I'm gonna get hit, but you're gonna shoot him, okay? Alright, I got it. They're dead. Oh, okay, clear. Keep going down the hole. Watch out there, Jared. Alright, guys, keep going, buddy. Keep going, sniper. Oh, you're alright. You good? Gunny! Chris! Chris! Detweiler! Okay, I think we pretty much got this whole thing now.
No, there's still some.
Oh, there's that tower over there.
Those are our team.
Friendly, guys. Friendly. All friendly in here, guys. Friendly over here.